You're in the second flight. Yeah, so you don't need to warm up now.
Can I help you? Storm Chasers Unlimited Vlog Documentary Season 2 Part 19. 19, eh? We are here at the shot put ring in glorious city town land near Seattle.
They know where we are.
What?
They know where we are. But Mitch is warming up for the shot put.
Should be the only people that are warming up right now.
Mitch is behind that guy. There he is.
Do it over there, but I want you over here.
He's the best thrower of all the throwers.
Noah, Joshua, Alex, Andrew, Trevor, Jacob. Jacob, right here. And John Reinhardt.
Mitch is warming up right now. Well, everybody's warming up right now. But Mitch, he is going to have a good day. We will put one of his throws in right
now.
Nice. Hey, Mark.
That's my impersonation of Mitch's shot put yell.
Yeah.
Official.
What? Him? Oh, we moved over here. It's not going to affect me unless somebody throws it over the fence.
We hope.
I know. I got that on film.
They get slapped.
Hi.
This is John Horn, signing in.
Hello, John.
With Adidas shoes that aren't mine.
Are you sponsored by Adidas?
I am actually.
Nice.
Adidas, because Adidas likes to sponsor the Oregon Ducks. Even though.
Say to you, fellas,
Yeah.
you weren't even looking. I'm serious.
He was recording it.
Yeah, I was recording the whole thing. It's on the film.
I'm not kidding.
Okay. It's not entangled if they continue to shot unless it goes.
Yeah, unless they throw it over the fence or it's got some serious curve on it. I don't think it'll go past this thing right here.
Okay, well, I believe you throw mine.
We should move closer. Oh, you're throwing.
I'm throwing.
How far are you going to throw today, John?
I'm aiming for like a 52, but if I get 45, then I'm fine.
That's a big hole. Where's Mitch? I want to talk to him.
Mitch is over there.
I'm gonna leave my shoes with you.
I wouldn't trust me. You're going to find something squishy in them. Hey, Mitch.
Hey.
We're doing it.
Are we?
Yeah.
What are we doing? Did you get part 19?
Yes.
Sweet.
And I already put in the video.
What in the video?
I put you throwing in the
I
video.
haven't even thrown that.
Oh, I know, but I put it in.
Oh, we can do a live. We can do a live warm up. No, live warm up throw right now.
Live warm-up throw. Oh, we get to see something live.
You're so small.
I don't know this kid. Hey, Tim.
Hey.
Got something to say to the internet?
Huh?
You want to say anything?
To all them YouTubers.
What do you want to say to your fans?
I don't have any fans. I'm a loner.
Live warm-up throw.
Further than anyone else here.
Well, I guess that's alright.
It's average. Yeah, we'll commentate these guys, okay?
We could do that.
So, did you already commentate my 50-foot stand?
Shut up. And it's short.
There are people in the way. Every time I look away from the camera, I always move it down to where the thing's in the way.
Why do they have cages for everything?
Hey, you can't. Yeah.
I'm getting my
I don't know.
This tape actually goes a lot better.
Maybe they had a cage fetish and they're like, oh, I want cages everywhere. One there and there. Pull one around the javelin. That will be fun.
I almost got you.
Hey, come on now.
I didn't do that. Live warm-up throw. Whoa! Of Tim.
Tim.
Okay. Well, this video has been carrying on for a while. You got anything to say? Well, alright. Okay. We could put another video of Mitch in right
About now.
there.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, at this time, I would like each and every
Alright. You want to put another one in?
No.
Alright.
Be good.
Okay, that's good.
2 for you. That's all you get. Unless you want to pay for it. You get 2 for free.
Okay. Alright, we're done. Storm Chasers Unlimited Vlog Documentary Season 2 Extra.
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 It's just through. You did a good job. By the way, his name is Jason. So, no signs of any storms here in lovely Seattle. Thanks to us, we have chased them all away. That's why I call them storm chasers. You're welcome, Seattletons. You can sleep.
Seattletons.
Hey, if you'd like us to come to your town or area, please buy us tickets and rent us a hotel.
And we'll chase away the storm. Yo, yo.
Hey, Mark.